Salome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Joey B. I'm here with Cook Local, sponsored by NEC Coop Energy with Grow Local South Texas. I got a summer tomato salad with okra, some pickled sweet peppers, and then we're making a dressing out of dandelion leaves and also some arugula. So let's get cooking. So when slicing peppers, I'm gonna show you a really cool technique. You're gonna go down and you're gonna keep it flat right here, and you're just gonna roll it. And then boom, that bad boy comes out. Slice with the knife, like butter. You wanna remove the moisture from anything you're pickling first. So one of the first steps you always wanna do is salt. So that sodium pulls out those juices. We got some beautiful lemons, local. I got bare hands, so I just squeeze that bad boy right there. You gotta feel your food. You use all of your senses before you actually taste your food. You see it, you smell it, you touch it, you hear it. You know, all those senses you do before you actually taste. So when you're cooking, just don't think like you're cooking for flavor, you're actually cooking for feel. You're cooking for your senses. All right, look at that. We're gonna take some of this rice wine vinegar. There's 2.5, boom, 5, that's about a tablespoon. A little bit of sugar. Bam, a little bit of chopped garlic. So we're gonna let this sit in the fridge so it can do its thing. Okra is a fun thing, it's really tasty. So we're just gonna slice up a couple more of these. Let's cut up these tomatoes, quarter them. We want everything to be the same size. Here's our arugula, here are our dandelion greens. So rough chop, chimichurri rough chop. More salt, like I said, bring out that moisture. Just drizzle a little more oil on it. Boom, boom. It's a dressing. Let's get a dash of vinegar. We still got 2 more things to go into this. Got those sweet peppers. Let's go ahead and strain them out just a little bit. Let's get that cheese in there. Check this out. Look at that. That's some beautiful cotija. You see how this is real shiny? You got that real beautiful shine? That's the oil. That's also the liquids and the flavors coming out of these vegetables. That's why we salt. We salt to pull flavor out. It's a flavor enhancer, not a seasoning. Get a scoop of that. Boom. Look at that salad. You know, in Italy, they eat salad after, as the final course, because all these leafy greens are really good for your digestive system. So we get that right there. Go ahead at the end, boom, a little salt, a little pepper, and that's the salad.